as a splendid player when he equaled the world record of 6 victims in an innings. Kirmani was awarded the Padma Shri in 1982. He won the award for the best wicketkeeper in the 1983 World Cup, his highlight of which was the catch of Fawad Bacchus that he took in the finals against the West Indies. In the first round match against Zimbabwe, he equaled the then record by effecting 3 catches and 2 stumpings. Against West Indies at home, he partnered Sunil Gavaskar, who scored 236 in a record stand of 143 for the 9th wicket in the Madras Test. Kirmani was a lower-order reliable batsman. At Bombay in 1984, he scored his second 100 in Test, making 102 and adding 235 with Ravi Shastri, still an Indian record for the 7th wicket. He served as the chairman of the selection committee for India in early 2000s. Kirmani also appeared on silver screen, playing the role of an underworld character in the movie Kabhi Ajnabi The, which also featured his contemporary Sandeep Patil. One of his distinguishing characteristics was his clean-shaven head and the Confucius moustache. He has inspired many young hearts. Why? Even our Kollywood superstar Rajinikanth had a style in one of his movies, Shivaji. Though he is 60, he is ever 20 at heart. He was, he is, and he will be a role model. For many sports personalities, not only to sports personalities, also to many young persons. His achievements and the laurels he won were so many. A day will not be enough if I am to continue. So I conclude here, wishing him all success and good health. Thank you for the opportunity. And Ms. Saranya will be here to introduce guest of honor of this evening, the international wheelchair athlete, Padma Shri Malati Hola. Thank you.
A pleasant evening and a warm welcome to the wonderful gathering. Our distinguished guest, Padma Shri Kirmani, Mr. Anand Rao Patil, Padma Shri Malati Hola, and our correspondent, Mr. Umar Farooq, our faculty members, and our honorable parents. I, Mrs. Saranya Kiran, faculty member, Crescent School, on behalf of the entire family, take privilege, pride to introduce the golden girl to each one of you. Ordinary mortals cannot understand and imagine what life can be for those who are physically challenged. Their trials and tribulations, their hopes and aspirations, and their struggle to cope in a world that is neither designed for nor supportive of their needs and wants. In the world of poliomyelitis, Arjuna Award and Padma Shri Award winner Malati Krishnamurthy Hola is a remarkable woman. She is a champion of champions, a born athlete, professionally a bank manager and a social activist. She is an achiever in all fronts, with a limitless capacity to excel in whatever she is engaged in. With over 300 gold, silver and bronze, state, national, international medals at Asian, World, both Masters and Open Athletic Championships in different parts of the world. She is an amazing, never say die, and an overwhelming spirit that defies the limits of all human endeavors. Incapacitated by polio at age of 1 and confined to the wheelchair after undergoing 32 surgeries, Malati was driven by courage and a will to achieve, and a die-hard persevering philosophy that moved her to phenomenal professional and personal successes. A postgraduate in psychology, manager at the Syndicate Bank, winner of Padma Shri Award 2001, Arjuna Award 95, KK Brulla Foundation Award 98, Dasra Award 89, Ekalavya Award 98, Aryabhatta 2009, Women of the Year USA UK 2001-2003, Pratibha Ratna Award 2001, Best Citizen 2004, and Kamveer Puraskar 2009. She has had laurels heaped on her for her accomplishment and the many significant milestones of her life. With the moral support of her friends, she has opened a foundation called Matru Foundation, where she is providing free shelter, school and medical facilities to the poor and the physically disabled children. The foundation main project and motto is to provide education and required medical assistance like corrective surgeries and provide calipers, crutches, walkers, etc. and rehabilitate them to develop positive attitude and instill self-confidence to live in this beautiful world. Seldom said, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to conclude the best and the noblest lives are those which are set towards high ideals, because today well lived makes every yesterday a dream of happiness and tomorrow a vision of hope. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to the golden girl, Malati Krishnamurthy Hola. I now request our correspondent, Mr. Umar Farooq, to please give away the annual report. Thank you.
Wishing one and all a very pleasant afternoon. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Crescent School embarked on its voyage in 1997. The people who has enrolled at the inception are now in Standard 11. The journey towards the building of the better human out of every student Crescent receives is not only the challenging but also rewarding. At very onset, I'd like to share the jubilation Crescent enjoyed when the result of our first batch of 10th was announced in the month of May 2009. All the gems of our institution came up with the flying colors, securing 100% result. For the school, and the distinction for self. Today, the Crescent is celebrating its 13th annual day with a much pomp and glory. This could materialize only with the timely help and support of the parents. That is called Parents' Pride Crescent. And the friends, well-wishers of Crescent. Thank you one and all for your cooperation. Help us to have a smooth sail. But for your backing, Crescent progress would have been just a dream. The running academic year 2009 and 10 commenced on 8 June 2009. Since then, the scores of activities kept the ball rolling for the Crescent family. On the 17th of June, Crescent received its first batch of Stand 11. Some of them soon then became the part of the school council when the election was held. People choose their leaders, who were later conferred with their responsibilities at the investiture ceremony, organized in the month of August. Crescent owes tons of thanks to very close associate of ours, Mr. Radhakrishnan of Hindu. His presence did instill greater strength and responsibility in our leaders. The price of greatness is responsibility. Challenging tasks enable our students to discover the potential they are gifted with, so we don't miss an opportunity to showcase their talent in activities organized by external resources. Visit to the various places such as bank, post offices, bee museum, tea factory, places of worship, and Arvin helped our students to develop a better outlook. Educational tourism